What's going on, troops? I've got some lights here. I've been sent these from Betopper. These are the LB150 moving head beams. I've got a pair of them. I'm going to open them up now, and then I'm going to program them in to the Wolfmix whilst we're on the video. And if I can program them in relatively easily and everything goes well, I'm going to use them on New Year's Eve. So while I'm off, just thought I'd make a little video for you guys, because hey, we've got some new lights, so I'm sure you're interested in taking a look. Let's open them up. 150 watt rated power. No one cares about the voltage. Let's have a little look at them. Let's have a little look-see. Been quite blessed with Betopper. They've sent me quite a few lights over the course of the last year. So yeah, hoping, like I say, hoping to get these programmed in now, and then we'll use them New Year's Eve, and I'll do a video update. Okay. Got a warranty with them. I'll get rid of all this gumph in a minute, these box, but just to let you know, they come with a little power con cable that's not long enough to plug. You know, it's long enough to make it work, but you always, when you buy any moving heads, you have to buy longer cables. It also comes with a little DMX cable, which is, I guess it's handy. I mean, I don't use them, I use dongles. We've got the user manual, and we've got a little like safety clip, and it also comes with one of these brackets so you can mount it. Right, it's very compact, quite a nice size, but it also doesn't feel mini, if that makes sense. It doesn't feel like it's a small cheap light. In my opinion, this is the exact right size for a mobile DJ. The actual head on it is a bit bigger than what you would imagine for that body, which I quite like the look of that. What we got on the front, Nano Series LED beam, we've got the name, a couple of safety assurance marks, and some buttons, I guess, when we program it for DMX, and that's it really. There's not a lot to see here. So what we have to do is get it plumbed in on the old Wolfmix. Those of you that have never used a Wolfmix before, Wolfmix W1 DMX controller, I rate this. I think they're really good. I use it for all my DMXing. Anything that's not Ape Labs, I run through this DMX controller. So let's have a little plug. Whenever you get a new light, I guess this is going to be a video on how to patch a light in via DMX, via the Wolfmix. But whenever you get a new light, what you have to do is plug your Wolfmix into your computer, and she fires up. You then open the app. Tell you what, let me move this so that you can see what I see. We go to the Wolfmix app, is called W Tools, and there it is. Let's open her up. And an update. I don't care about the update, I don't really want that. It's been a while since I've been in here. Fixtures. Okay, so let's see if the Betopper brand is in here. So we're now online, we're now looking for lights that are in here. Betopper. No, I can't see it. However, a fellow DJ, I'm just looking at my phone a minute, because a fellow DJ has actually plumbed some of these into the Wolfmix before. So I'm just going to look at the group chat. Yeah, I've got a big shout out to JF Discos. He says they're under Big Dipper 150. Are these 150s? I can't remember what they're called. LB150s. Betopper LB150, there it is. JF Disco's You Are a Legend, updating fixture. So now it should be in here, so Big Dipper LB150, there it is. So now we can come out of there, unplug the Wolfmix. I'll stick you back where we are. That's how easy it is, by the way, to put a fixture on your Wolfmix. And now, after that little bit of work that we've just done, the software for that light is now programmed into this piece of hardware, right? So what we can do now is switch this on, assign it a DMX channel, go into this piece of hardware, find the software, put it on the right channel, connect them via DMX, and it should work. Fingers crossed. So the next thing we need to do is plug these lights in. She's starting up. I'll leave you with that while I get the next one out. Right, the lights are both plugged in. I now need to connect them with DMX. Now we've got channel, well, we're going to work with channel A, okay? So what I do is we're going to go add a light. We then need to find the lights down here. Big Dipper LB150. We're going to add 2 of them. We're going to add them to group A. And then here we have their channel DMX addresses. So we've got 170 and 182. So what I need to do now is go into the actual lights themselves and put 170 into one of them and 182 into the other one, okay? And as soon as you get it on the right channel, we have lights. I'll do the other one. So it's now a lot brighter than it was because obviously these are kicking out heat. They're on group A. I've DMX'd them in. We've saved it. So let's have a little play, okay? So let's just go to colour. If I press pink, they should go pink. Oh, only one of them's gone pink. Cyan, green. Why is that one not doing it? We're working now, we're cooking on gas now. And that's how easy it was. So that took less than, I've had this video running now for 16 minutes. Obviously the video, I'm going to edit it so it'll be shorter than that, but 16 minutes from unboxing these to plumbing them into the Wolfmix, and now we've got them working. Anybody that uses DMX and DJs with lighting, you'll know that this, when they turn around and shine in your eye, is not what you want. So we now need to set the parameters so that these moving heads don't turn and face this way. We only want them to face the audience. So in order to do that, I'm just going to turn off the movement. And I'm then going to go home and I'm going to start setting the parameters. We don't want them to move exactly the same together. We want them to move opposites, right? So I think the way I'm going to have to do that is by going back in and putting invert tilt on and removing invert pan. Okay. We've done it. They're moving now opposites. That's exactly what we wanted. So now let's turn off the movement, color effects. One of the big things is to see how dim we can make them. It's really important sometimes to dim them down, and that's quite nice. You can dim them right down, or you can have them really far. Some moving heads, you have them bright or nothing. There's no way to dim them. These seem good. Strobe, yes, they strobe. Blinder, strobe with the blinder. We don't want 100%. I'm looking forward to these. Stick around for New Year's Eve. I'll be doing a gig log and I'll be using these, and once I've used them at a gig I can give you a better understanding of what they're like. Price wise, let's talk about price. Let me just give them a Google. So these are Betopper, what are they called? LB150s. These are £205 per light plus tax. That's what it says, whatever tax is. I don't know, I guess it's like import tax or something. So, you know, they're not going to break the bank. But anyway, let me know what you think in the comments and stick around for an update at New Year's Eve.